Alright, welcome back to the channel. Update on CNB unit number 1, 5607. Just got done bending up some handrails. Tried a copy and got as close to the originals as possible. As you can see on this side, these handrails just go straight across. And then we've got them bent at the other end. So we've got all the stanchions in place. All I'm doing now is just waiting for the soldering iron to heat up, and we're going to solder each little stanchion into place on the brass wire, and then that way I'll be able to take it off, get it over to the paint, and get it all painted up black, and then of course spray the ends white here, and then I'll do the other side of this unit. And the trick is going to be the front. So if I can't get the front bent right, then I'll just order some plastic replacement ones, and just for the front and rear of this locomotive. So, but we're going to give it a shot. Try and bend up the handrails for the front and rear of this locomotive as well. So that's the update on the first B unit. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Until next time, bye for now.